Are you a frontline technician in the commercial cleaning industry? Do you want to ensure your safety while performing vital cleaning tasks? This comprehensive online course, Hazard Communications, is here to equip you with the essential knowledge you need to know about commercial cleaning chemicals. This 30-minute onboarding course is specifically designed to empower new hires like yourself with the tools and information necessary to thrive in your role while staying safe and confident. Your safety is our utmost priority. We understand that as a frontline technician, you will face unique challenges and potential risks every day. Properly handling and using commercial cleaning chemicals is crucial, not only for your personal well-being, but also for the well-being of those who work alongside you. With this expertly crafted course, you can embark on your career with confidence and reduce the risk of accidents or incidents in the workplace. Don't wait. Take charge of your safety and career today. Enroll now and equip yourself with the knowledge and confidence to excel as a frontline technician in the commercial cleaning industry. Your well-being matters, and we are here to support you every step of the way. Invest in your safety and professional growth. Enroll in Hazard Communications today.